ibigay niya ng ganyang kulay. It's just like us saying, are you afraid if we have a hearing on the Blue Ribbon on flood control, eh, makapanggit ka rin? You cannot make that kind of statements here in the Senate because you assume good faith from everyone. That rule hindi na May 11 pa hula. So, Madam Chair, I move that we divide the House.
And the voting will be done by a roll call. Minority Leader.
They scampered out and left the minority leader instead of discussing the rule. We are not even discussing the rule yet. And then, gano'n na yung allegation nila. And no one from the minority stood up to say that out of order.
Sir, bakit po nag-walk out, sir?
Sir, pipilitan nila, naisip-isip siguro nila dahil lumabas sa media, dahil lalabas na warrant of arrest. Para makaboto yung mga yun na makukulong.
Guys, give way. Guys, give way.
Makaboto.
Guys, give way.
Kung nakakulong man sila.
Give way, please.
Common sense, hindi naman tayo tanga, journalist tayo, di ba? Common sense.
Give way, guys. Give way, please.
BS.
Give way.
Ako ano mga rules
Sir,
pa.
sir, give way.
Kapag tayo. Hindi tayo lukuhin.
Ano yung dapat na gagawin? Dapat po kasi
Wala pa naman ko
hindi lang dapat majority
You will
leader.
not be part of this. It's a travesty of our rules, of the Senate rules. Hindi kami papayag sa mga
So what happens now? Hindi sila pwedeng magboto. Hindi sila pwedeng magbasa ng motion.
Guys, senators muna.
Hindi sila pwedeng magboto. So paano ba yun?
violation of the rules.
Excuse me.